Hi viewers, I'm Nadeem. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 7, exercise 7B, book D2, volume and surface area. Today we will discuss part number 2 because part number 1 of this exercise has already been done. So coming to question number 11. In question number 11, an open cone has a circular base of radius 10 cm and slant height of 20 cm. Draw a net of the cone and label its dimension. So only we have to draw the dimension, or we have to simply draw the cone like this. So you can see in question number 11 like this. If we have a cone, you can see here like this. So here the radius is that is r is equal to 10, and that is your center O, and that is your height h, and that is your slant height L, which is represented by 20 centimeter. So also it is also your 20 centimeter. So that is your slant height. So that is your if we, so that is the net of the cone like this. That is your V, and we have to write the, that is your A, and that is your A dash. So the question number 11 we have to draw like this. So it is your configuration like this. So coming to the question number 12, only in question number 11 we have to draw this diagram. So coming to the question number 12. In question number 12, the semicircle shown is folded to form a right circular cone so that our PQ becomes the circumference of the base. Find the diameter of the base. So we have to find the diameter of the base. First we are given a figure, so we have to note this. That is your given figure like this. So it means that is your central point O. So the length up to here, that is your 10 centimeter. That is your PQ. So it means clear from the picture in A part, that is R is equal to 2.5 centimeter. That is the radius of the base, 2.5 centimeter. Similarly, the slant height is, that is in A part the radius of the base. So we have to find the radius of the base. That is your PQ is your 10 centimeter. So radius of the base is that is R is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Similarly, in B portion we have been asked the curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of the cone. So curved surface area of the cone is equal to in B portion, curved surface area, that is curved surface area of the cone, that is we have to find, since curved surface area of the cone is equal to, curved surface area of the cone is equal to pi RL. So putting the values, the value of pi is, and the value of R is 2.5, and the L is 5, because if we take the this side, that is your slant height, that is your 5. So 5 is your slant height. So by multiplication, simplification, you will get 39.3 centimeter square. So that is your required result. Similarly, if we see the, because one important thing to be noted here the radius is 2.5. We have been asked the radius of the base. Actually we take the base like this. If we have to fold it when we make the cone like this, so it is 5, and that is the, it becomes the diameter in case of cone, so it will be 5. So if we take divided by 2, so you will get 2.5. so that's why we are taking 2.5. Often you will get not confused how we can take this. So that is your required result. Now coming to the question number 13. In question number 13, a cone has a circular base of radius 5 centimeter. So the radius of circular base, that is r, is equal to 5 centimeter, and the height of the cone is equal to 12 centimeter. So what is the slant height? So we have to find in this question, that is find the curved surface area of the cone. Curved surface area of the cone we have to find. Since we have a formula that is pi rl, but we don't have l, since curved surface area is equal to pi rl. So the value of pi is 22/7, and the value of r is 5, that is given to us, but we don't have the value of l. So it means, as the how can we find the value of l? So as l square is equal to h square plus r square by Pythagoras theorem. If we see the cone like this, so that is your cone, so that is your slant height l, that is your h, and that is your r. So by Pythagoras theorem, if we take this triangle, so that is also your r, so h square plus r square is l square. So the value of h is 12 square, and the value of r is 5 square, so you need l. So after simplification, you can get 169, but we need l, 169 under root, so the value of l is 13. So this 13 is used here, so that's why after simplification you can get 204.25 centimeter square is your required result. Coming to the question number 14. Question number 14. A cone has a circular base of radius 8 centimeter and slant height 20 centimeter. Find the volume of the cone. So it means radius is equal to 8 centimeter and slant height L is equal to 20 centimeter, and find the height of the cone H we have to find. Similarly, since we have a formula, that is, since we have a formula, that is, first we have find the curved surface area, find the volume of the cone. It means 8 centimeter and slant height is 20 centimeter. Find the volume of the cone. So it means volume of the cone we have to find. 8 and slant height is 20. Slant height is 20, radius is 8, and find the volume of the cone. So volume of the cone, we have to find the volume of the cone, but since volume of the cone is equal to since volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. So putting the values 1/3, the value of pi is and the value of r is 8, but we don't have the value of h. So it means since we can say that, how can we find if we have a cone like this? So once again, by the same method, that is your r, that is your l, that is your h. So it means we have to find the, since by using Pythagoras theorem, the height h is equal to h square is equal to l square minus that is r square. So it means we have to put the values. R is 8 square minus L is 20. So taking square and subtracted, so h square is equal to, that is 400 minus 64, that is 336. We need the value of h, that is under root. So the value of h is, that is using calculator, you will get 18.33 centimeters. So that is your h. This h is used here, that is 18.33, that is 18.33. so you will get, after simplification, you will get 1229 centimeter cube is your required result. Coming to the question number 15. Question number 15. A circular cone has a height of 17 millimeter. So it means height is 17 millimeter, and slant height 21. Slant height is 21 millimeter. Radius of the base we have to find, and volume of the cone, that is volume we have to find. So first, total surface area of the cone. So find the volume and total surface area. Find the volume and total surface area. Volume of the cone and total surface area of the cone we have to find, because we have not been given the value of r, so we have to find r also here. So it means first to find r, it is very much necessary by using Pythagorean theorem. Once again, we have to draw the cone like this, that is your slant height L. Once again, that is your r and that is your h. So it means since when we find the volume of cone, so since volume of cone, because we need the volume of cone, since volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. The value of pi is this one, and the value of r we don't have, so the value of h is 17. So it means as by Pythagoras theorem, the value r square is equal to that is L square minus h square, L square minus h square. So the L is 21 and h is 17. So the value of r is, that is 152, but we need r, 152 under root, and the value of r is 12.33. So this r value used here, that is 12.33. so after simplification, you will get 2707.56 millimeter cube. So that is your one answer, but we have to find the total surface area also. So now to find the total surface area, you can see now to find total surface area, since total surface area of cone is equal to pi RL plus pi R square, so that is your formula. So the value of R is 12.33 and the value of L is 21. Similarly, plus 22 by 7 into R, the value of R is 12.33 having square. So after simplification you will get 0.6 millimeter square. So that is your total surface area of the coin. That is your required result. Coming to the question number 16. Question number 16. In question number 16, calculate the total surface area. You can see the figure in your textbook like this. One slant is given at the upside and one cylinder, and you can see the diagram like this. So this height is up to this and up to this is, that is your 8 meter, that is your 6 meter slant head, and this distance is equal to 8 meter and that is your also 6 meter. So this figure is given in your textbook. You can see. Now the calculate the total surface area. So it means, first of all, that is question number 16. So you can write the slant height, that is 6 centimeter, and height is 8 meter, 6 also in meter, 8 meter, and the diameter is equal to 8 meter also, diameter of the cylinder, and so radius of the cylinder, it will be 8 divided by 2, you will get 4 meter. So H, if we see the diagram, since we know that H square is equal to that is your L square minus R square. So the value of H is that is 6, R is your 4. So the value of H square is equal to that is equal to 20, but we need so the value of H is 4.47 meters. So the H is similarly. Now in a part we have to find the total surface area. So that is where H, but in given figure we see that is the curved surface area of two cones, one cone and second cone. So it means curved surface area of two cones. Now curved surface area of 0 2 cones, that is equal to 2 multiply by that is equal to 2 multiply by pi RL. So putting the values, 2 into pi, that is 3.142, multiply by R, the value of R is 4 and L is 6. So after multiplication you will get 150.816 meter square. Similarly, that is your two cones, but we need the value of curved surface area of cylinder also. Now we have to find the curved surface area of the cylinder. So then we add the, so then we can find the total surface area. Now curved surface area of cylinder. Now curved surface area of cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi r h. So putting the values, that is equal to 2, the value of pi is 3.142, the value of r is 4, height is, cylinder height is 8. So after simplification you will get 201.088 meter square. So total surface area of cylinder will be equal to, hence total surface area of cylinder will be equal to, that is we have to plus both the, that is 1 is 201, that is 201.088 plus 150.8. so after adding you will get 352 meter square. So that is your total surface area of the cylinder. So that is your result. So curved radius of cylinder, then total surface area of the cylinder. So it means the total surface area of the cylinder mean the whole fig, that is full solid. So now we have to find the volume of two cones, that is the volume of the solid cylinder with conical ends as shown. Okay, now we have to find the volume of a solid cylinder. So volume of two cones. Now coming to the B part. In B part we have been asked that we have to find the volume. Now in B part we have to find the volume of a solid. Okay, volume of two cones, since volume of 2 cones is equal to 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. So putting the values, that is 2 by 3, the value of pi is 3.142, and the value of r is 4, and the value of h is 4 point h we have find initially, that is 4.47. so after simplification you will get 149.8, so 150 by rounding meter cube. So that is your volume of the cone. So volume of cylinder, now volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. The value of pi is 142, the r is 4, and h is 8. So after simplification, 4 4s are 16, and you should multiply, you will get 402.176 meter cube. So the total volume of solid cylinder, so therefore total volume of solid, that is, you have to sum this one and this one, that is equal to 150 plus 402.176. so result is 552.18, that is equal to your result is 552.18 is your total volume of solid. So that is your required result. You can see here. So that is your centimeter, that is your centimeter cube, and that is your centimeter cube. Okay, that is your required result. Now coming to the question number 17. Question number 17. Find the volume. The given figure is you can see here in your textbook like this. That is your given figure in your textbook. That is I'm trying to draw the diagram accordingly, but I don't think so that I'm able to draw the drawing accordingly, but I'm trying to give you the a little bit concept that is given in your textbook like this. That is, this portion is 10 centimeter, and this one is also 10 centimeters, and this portion is equal to 12 centimeter. So that is your given figure. Find the volume. So in a part we have to find its volume. So it means you can see in from given figure that is L is equal to slant height is 10 centimeter, and so the radius will be equal to, so the radius is equal to 10 divided by 2, you will get 5 centimeter. Similarly, if we use the Pythagoras theorem, so we can find the value of that is h. So because since volume of solid volume of solid, that is given figure, is equal to 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 2 by 3 into the value of pi is 3.142, and the value of r is, that is 6. That is 12, that is 10. The value of L is 10, and the radius of the cone is, that is 12 by 2. That is the radius of the cone, you can see that is 12 by 2, because d is given to us. You can see here actually the given figure is d is 12 centimeter, but r is 12 divided by 2, you will get 6 centimeters. So with the help of this, so 6 square, and the height, we don't have height, so it means as h square is equal to L square minus r square. So the value of L is 10 and the value of r is 6. So 100 minus 36, so h square. So the value of h is, that is 64, and the value of h is 64 under root and 8. So you should use 8 here, that is 8. So after simplification you can see that that is your result is 603.264 centimeter cube is your required result. Now in B portion we have been asked that we have to find the total surface area of a solid. So total surface area, now coming to the B part. In B part, total surface area. In B part, total surface area, we have to find total surface area as it is given to us that slant height of a cone, that is L is equal to 10 centimeter, and radius is 6 centimeter, and total surface area of a solid, since total surface area of solid is equal to twice the pi r L. So we can see with the help of diagram. So putting the values, 3.142, the value of r is 6, L is 10. So after simplification you will get 377 centimeters square is your required result. Coming to the question number 18. Last question. Question number 18. The figure below shows a cylindrical diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter. A hole of the shaped cone is bored into the one of its end. If the cone has a diameter equal to half of the diameter of the cylinder, find the volume of the remaining solid. Okay, first of all, you see the diagram like this. It is given to us, that is you are given cylinder like this, and in this cylinder we have been given a coin shaped one cone is placed in it, and that is your 3 centimeter, and that is your 6 centimeter, and that is your 15 centimeter. Like this you can see in your textbook. So we have to find the volume of the remaining solid. So volume of the remaining solid. So first of all, the diameter of a cylinder is 12. You can see the cylinder radius is 6. Radius is 6, so it means if we consider the full, so it will give you the, that is, then it will become 12 centimeter, because 6 plus 6. So it means radius of a cylinder, it means diameter is 12 and radius is 12 by 2. You will get 6 centimeters. 6 is clear to us, and the height is 15, because height h is 15 centimeter. So the volume of a cylinder is, that is, since volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square L. So the value of pi is 3.142 and r is 6, L is your 15. So you will get, after multiplication, you will get 1696.68 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the cylinder. So that is the full volume of a cylinder. But now we have to find the volume of the cone. So volume of the cone, since now volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, 3.142. so the value of r is, the r is in cone, it is clear, that is 3, and height is once again by the same one, that is 15. So after simplification you will get 141.39 centimeter cube. So what is the volume of the remaining solid? We have been asked the volume of remaining solid, because we have to find the volume of a remaining solid. Now volume of remaining solid, volume of remaining solid, it means we have to just subtract both the results, one result and second result. So subtract this, you will get the remaining one, 1696.68 minus 141.39, so you will get 1555 centimeter cube is your required result. Now by the grace of God we have completed part 2 of exercise 7b. I hope that it will be helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.